welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I have uploaded a new video. I had some work, I'm so sorry, but I intend to post regularly from now onwards. So in today's video I am going to talk about a product which is very famous and which has recently launched in India. And if you are quite active on social media, you will know which product I'm talking about. The product is the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum. This is what I am talking about. I've heard all good things about this product. I have recently purchased it, and I will include a before and after clip of me using this. Right now I have already used and set my hair. So I'm going to talk through the product. I'm going to tell you what this product is all about. I'm going to read the packaging as well and let you know what the hype is all about and does it really work or not. Okay, so in the package itself, when you get it in this package. Okay, so this is how it comes. It says infused with blend of 6 flower extract oils, and at the back there is a list of ingredients and all other details which you want to know before buying a product. So at the back it is written for all hair types. Now I have oily scalp and comparatively drier ends, so I don't know what to call it. I have oily scalp and dry ends. So here it's written for all hair types. Your daily shortcut to perfect looking hair, infused with a blend of 6 flower extract oil. And then they say that it is for a versatile use, and by versatile use they mean you can use it before shampooing, to nourish and prepare hair before washing. That's what the package says. Before drying, to protect hair from heat and smoothen hair as it dries. So I have actually used it before drying my hair. I have simply shampooed and conditioned my hair and then applied this as a hair serum and then dried my hair using a blow dryer and straightened it with a hair straightener. Not completely straightened, just quickly I have done it. Not completely straightened, but just a quick fix for my hair. Also before styling, to smoothen out frizz and manage unruly strands. So you can use it in 3 ways, or you can use it as a daily routine, as they say, as a finishing touch to enhance shine and sublime hair texture, and as an overnight treatment to wake up to hair discipline in the morning. So you can use it as a normal hair oil. If you want, you can use this as an overnight treatment. I haven't tried that out. I have just used it I have just used it as a serum after shampoo, and I have dried and straightened out my hair. How to apply is also mentioned on the box. I have showed it in the video. Please keep on watching. So I'll take you through the product. This is what the package is. You open the packaging and the product is in here. This is what the serum looks like, or the oil looks like, whatever you want to call it. This is a glass bottle, so this is not very convenient because I really need to keep it carefully, otherwise it might just fall and shatter. So I need to keep it carefully. I do not keep it here and there. I try and keep it inside a drawer where it's safe. So the thing which I like about it is this twist pump. So if you open it and the nozzle is on the front side, it means the bottle is open and it is ready to use. And if you twist it on the right side, here it locks and you cannot pump it. So this is a very nice thing to have, because you don't have a cap on this. This twist lock will really be handy and help you to avoid product wastage. The price of the product is 499 rupees, and the quantity which you get is 100 ml. So for 100 ml product you get, you have to pay 499 rupees. So yeah, this is what the serum is all about. I'm going to show you how I used it and then you can try it for yourself. So I'm going to show you how I used it and then I'll tell you a few pros and cons. So keep watching. Okay, so you just saw how I styled my hair, and I am absolutely loving this. Just look at the shine. I'm going to show you my hair. Just see how it's shining. I'm so happy with the shine. See? Alright, so this product really works, you guys. You can really check it out if you want to. This really works. Okay, so really happy using it. It smells lovely. I don't know how to explain the smell. I mean, when you walk into Shoppers Stop and you enter the beauty section or the fragrance section, there's a mix of fragrances going on, florals and men's fragrance and women's fragrance, floral and woody. This just smells like that. It smells like Shoppers Stop fragrance section. I don't know if you are even understanding what I mean. So yeah, it's between floral and woody, so this product has my heart. This is not completely floral, which I don't like. I don't like completely floral fragrances. I prefer woody fragrances. So yeah, this being a mixture of both is lovely. And oh my god, I can't believe how light and airy my hair feels right now. So as you saw, I've just straightened my hair. I had blow dried my hair after doing my shampoo, so I could not record that, but I just straightened my hair roughly, not taking a lot of time. So I'm quite happy with this serum. So okay, fine, I'll take you through the pros and cons now, though I cannot really think about any cons at the moment. First, the fragrance is wonderful. It's not too floral, it's not too woody, it's in between, so love it. It has controlled my frizz. My hair was kind of frizzy lately. I don't really suffer from intense hair problems other than frizziness and a bit of dandruff. So I don't know if this oil works for dandruff or not, but then for the frizz, it has really done its work. My hair does not feel frizzy. The shine, the third pro has to be the shine. I cannot believe how shiny my hair looks right now. Also, the fourth pro has to be, in the name it says extraordinary oil, but my hair does not feel oily at all. My hair feels like as if I've just stepped out of the shower and I just had a good blow dry. But I have this serum on my hair and it feels wonderful. Doesn't even feel like I have some serum on my hair, because to be true, sometimes when you go overboard with a few serums, it kind of makes your hair greasy and oily. But this serum is beautiful. It's lovely. I love it to bits. Now the only con which I can think about is the price and quantity ratio. So if you compare 500 rupees with 100 ml of product, it might be a little on the higher side for a few people. But if you want to invest in a good quality product, which is not extremely overpriced, it is still below 500. It's 499, right? So if you still want to invest in a good product for your hair, you can definitely try it out, even though it retails for 500 rupees. Of course, you can wait for some time, because who knows, you might get this product at a discounted rate. So yeah, there are sales going on every now and then. But as this product just launched on Nykaa, I bought it for 499. That's the MRP as well. So you can check Nykaa for discounts. What else? There are no other cons. I cannot think about any other con. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you have watched my video till here, I think that you like it. So if you do, please do subscribe to my channel, like and share this video with your friends, and do let me know in the comment sections what do you think about this serum if you have tried it. Also, I'm trying to be kind of active on Instagram, so yeah, I'll be making separate content for Instagram. So if you want to check them out, do not forget to follow me on Instagram as well. My handle will be mentioned in the bottom bar below. So thank you so much everyone for watching. Keep supporting, keep loving. Thank you so much everyone. Bye.